Hi, I'm Ellen from Royal Mail. If you're a business and frequently use our products or services, you can benefit from many features on royalmail.com by registering your details. I'll show you how. Go to royalmail.com/register and choose Business Use. Now enter your details and choose a password. Passwords must contain 8 characters or more and use a combination of letters and numbers. You also need a password reminder, which should be different to your password, just in case you forget. We'd like to keep in touch with you about our products, services and offers that might interest you. You can let us know here if you don't want us to. Now, read and tick here to agree to the terms and conditions and select Next. Enter your organisation's postcode and click Find Address. Now select your address. Enter the name of your business or organisation and your job title. If your address is not shown properly, you can easily edit the fields. Finally, enter your work telephone numbers and click Register. And that's it. Your account is now set up and you can log in to use our services.